Since the word detangling is in the title, we're gonna see if this is gonna detangle. Welcome and welcome back, Roses. This is Olena, otherwise known as OlenaRosanne. Today I'm going to try a new product that I have received. Before we even get into that, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, give this video a thumbs up, and leave me a comment. So first off, I have to say thank you to INFLUENSTER and FABLE for allowing me to try this product I have here in my hand free for review purposes. So what I have here is the FABLE MahaMane Detangling Leave-In Conditioner. Now, I have never ever tried any products from FABLE & This will be my first time. I don't know if I even would have tried it without it being sent to me. So this claim, it will lock in moisture with aloe vera. So that's good. It also says this is cruelty free. It's all for all hair types. It's a vegan formula and there's no silicones. So that's good as well. It says India's beauty secret. Okay. And it says detangle and tame frizz with this weightless hydrating leave-in conditioner enriched with moisturizing aloe vera and plant proteins to smooth and protect hair before styling. Clearly, I just got done doing something with my hair. I washed and conditioned. So we're gonna see what this does for my hair. Since the word detangling is in the title, we're gonna see if this is gonna detangle or help with it. But it says spray evenly on towel dried hair from mid-lengths to ends and comb through before heat styling or air drying. Can also apply to dry hair to tame frizz and refresh dry ends. Okay, this is different for me. When it got to the part about spray evenly on towel dried hair from mid-length to ends. Why mid-length to ends? If I am detangling my hair, I'm going to be detangling all of my hair from the ends all the way up to the roots. So I don't understand that. I hope this doesn't have any adverse reaction if it touches my scalp. And, you know, it just makes me wonder. I mean, why would they say that? This is very, very different. Okay, this does say it's a heat protectant. Now that is good. And according to this card here, it says heat protection up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Now this is a vegan ultralight miracle milk formulated to detangle knots, deeply hydrate strands, and protect hair from heat damage for a stronger and smoother, shinier mane. The mane, spelled M-A-N-E, ingredients and benefits: aloe vera soothes and intensely moisturizes the hair and scalp. Amla oil, rich in antioxidants to thicken and condition strands. And hibiscus restores radiant for a lustrous shine. Now what I will tell you, when I sprayed it out, seems a nice consistency. Seems like it will have some detangling properties in it, but what I did not like is the smell. This seems like an overly perfumey, synthetic-y scent. It also smells like the inside of a leather purse, like a brand new one. It also smells like brand new car scent. Y'all, I am not a fan at all of this scent, and hopefully it doesn't get too strong on my hair because it's strong from the bottle, and it's not a pleasant scent. I don't know why. I will go ahead and list the ingredients. This is made in the USA, in case you were wondering. I do like the color of the packaging. If you know me, you know I do. So that is cute. I like the sprayer. These sprayers tend to not break or get stuck on me, so I like that. And I like that you can, there's an on, it actually says on, you click it, and off. You click it, you heard that. So you can lock this and not have to worry about your product seeping out. So I like that. and I like the gold trim. So I don't like how many fluid ounces this comes in. This comes only in 4.7 fluid ounces. So whatever the actual price is, and I'm gonna go ahead and list that somewhere, that's a small amount. And a lot of us will fly through this, if not almost in one try or two. So, okay, so now that that's out of the way, we're gonna see what this does for, it says this helps detangle. Now, maybe I should have tried this on dry hair because I have already tangled my hair, but I know it's drying up and all that good stuff. What I'm going to do is see if this has some decent slip, and if this has decent slip, then that will probably tell me that it's good at detangling. Now, as far as moisture, we'll see what happens with that. But the big thing I'm concerned about is the smell. Right now, honestly, the smell is not nice. Go ahead and make sure this is in the on position, and we'll see how this sprays. This smells like some old, very, very mature hand lotion or perfume from way, way back in the days, at least before my day. Also, I don't know. It does not. Yeah, I don't like the smell of it. Hopefully it dissipates. So yeah, we're not gonna do that yet. It's not quite at detangling. Okay. So, you know, it has a little bit of slip on my hands, but this is a very thin product. I've already kind of messed up when it comes to the directions of this because it wanted me to apply it from mid-length down. Sorry, but I like to hydrate all my strands, especially up here. I mean, yeah, the oldest part of the hair is what we want to moisturize, but I also want to moisturize that fresh hair that just grew out my scalp. So that is weird to me. Okay. I really hope this dissipates. So I am running my fingers through my hair, but I don't necessarily associate that with this detangling leave-in conditioner because I wash and deep condition my hair, and especially with the deep conditioner, that's when I do most of my detangling. This is a lightweight leave-in conditioner, so I can see how that would be good for blow drying the hair, or if you use a flat iron, how, you know, it would not weigh the hair down. So I do like that. It's definitely not weighing my hair down. Thin leave-ins are great during the summer if you don't want to weigh your hair down too much. I can't get with the smell. It doesn't matter what I do. I have never in my life so far, in my almost 48 years, 48 as of next week, years, smelt a product, a hair product with the scent. It's very hard to describe. What I said earlier is the best way I can describe it. I don't know. If they could remove the perfumes in this, that would be better. So, yeah. This would take me all day. Look how it's spraying now. This would take me all day, like I do. So I don't know, that might catch up with me in a little bit, all that spraying, because it's just, this takes a while. Yeah, my hand's getting tired already. So right now, looking at this, I am right here. And it seems super oily in my hands, but not in my hair, if that even makes any sense. This might be good to blow dry the hair out before you're about to trim it or cut it, possibly. And you do have to use a decent amount to detangle. So yeah, I mean, I'm running my fingers through it. So maybe it is good at detangling, at least decent. I don't expect this to dry greasy. Okay, well, that's all I'm really about to do. You get the point. The point was, you know, this is listed as a detangling leave-in, and you know, it seemed to help. It does have some drawbacks. Drawbacks, the atomizers, not cool. The amount of product in the bottle is not much at all, and the smell is horrible. Would I spend money on this? I'm gonna tell you right now, no. And this is even before this is empty. Normally I wait, you know, until I do an empties video to say whether I would purchase it on my own. Honestly, I don't think I would. But I do thank INFLUENSTER and FABLE for giving me the opportunity to try it in my hair. I do appreciate that. So anyway, if you tried this product, let me know in the comments. Have you heard of FABLE? I have heard of it. I just never had an interest to purchase from them. That's just me. Other than that, if you haven't already subscribed, make sure you go ahead and do that. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any time I upload. And give this video a thumbs up for me trying something new that I wouldn't have tried on my own. And leave me a comment. Other than that, roses, I will talk to you later. Bye.